Welcome dear student in my course name Determinants of Quality Life. Today topic we discussed about concept of quality life and content of this module is understanding the concept of quality life, key features of quality life, historical perspectives of quality life, philosophical perspective of quality life, indicators of quality life, physical well-being, social well-being, spiritual well-being and importance of individual and societal development. Understanding the concept of quality life. Definition of quality life or quality of life. Quality of life refer to the general well-being of individual and societies, outlining not only wealth and employment but also the built environment, physical, mental, education, recreation and leisure time and social belongings. It is multidimensional concept that include both objective factors like health, income, education and subjective perceptions like such as life satisfactions, happiness and personal fulfillment. The World Health Organization defines quality of life as an individual's perceptions of their position in life in context of the culture and value system in which they live and in relation to their job, their goals, expectations, standards and concerns. Key features of quality life. The concept of quality of life encompasses several key features. It is subjective, meaning it varies based on individual perception. Multidimensional, including physical, mental, social and spiritual dimension. Dynamic, as it can change over time. And contextual, shaped by cultural, environmental, economical conditions. Together, these features ensure that quality of life is not limited to material wealth but reflect the complete human experiences. Now we discuss the historical perspective of quality life. Historical roots of quality life. The concept of quality life can be traced back to ancient civilization. Greek philosophers like Aristotle discuss eudaimonia, meaning human flourishing or living well. In ancient India, quality life was associated with dharma, that is duty, artha, that is wealth, kama, that is pleasure, and moksha, that is liberation, representing a holistic view of well-being. Next, the Enlightenment period. Thinkers like John Locke and Rousseau emphasized the right to life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness, linking quality of life with human right and individual freedoms. In modern era, that is in the 20th century, with the development of psychology, sociology, and public health, quality of life began to be studied as a measurable concept, influencing policy making and healthcare. Enlightenment and modern thoughts. During the Enlightenment period, philosophers such as John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau emphasized human right and the pursuit of happiness. Locke's ideas on life, liberty, and property laid the foundations for modern democratic values, while Rousseau stressed the importance of civic freedom and equality in achieving a good life. These ideas influenced later notion of quality of life as being tied to social justice, personal freedom, and civil participation. Philosophical perspectives of quality of life. Utilitarianism views of quality of life in terms of the greatest happiness or utility for the greatest number. Existentialists focus on meaning and purpose in life as essential component of quality of life. Humanistic psychology, as seen in Maslow's hierarchy of needs, also influence the understanding of quality of life through self-actualization and fulfillment. Quality of life versus standard of living. While often used interchangeably, quality of life and standard of living are distinct concepts. Standard of living refers primarily to economic indicators such as income, employment, housing, quality, and access to goods and services. In contrast, quality of life encompasses not only these material factors but also intangible elements like emotional well-being, social relationship, life satisfactions, and spiritual peace. A person may have a high standard of living but still experience a poor quality of life due to stress, loneliness, and lack of purpose. Indicators of quality of life. Quality of life can be evaluated through various dimensions. First is physical well-being. Second, emotional well-being. Third, social well-being. And fourth, spiritual well-being. Physical well-being. General health, physical fitness, nutrition, and access to healthcare services, absence of illness or disease, and ability to perform daily activities, as I discussed in earlier slides, earlier PPTs. Emotional well-being means mental health, self-esteem, stress management, and emotional resilience, a sense of purpose, inner peace, and psychological stability. Social well-being means healthy interpersonal relationship, community participation, and social support. Freedom from discrimination, inclusion, and safety is one's environment. Spiritual well-being means sense of connection to something greater than oneself, may include religion, values, or inner peace, meaning, purpose, and alignment with personal belief and morals. Emotional and psychological well-being. Emotional well-being refers to the ability to manage emotions, cope with stress, and maintain a sense of optimism and self-worth. Mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, and chronic stress significantly impact quality of life. Conversely, emotional resilience, a positive outlook, and healthy coping mechanism enhance personal fulfillment and interpersonal relationship, contributing to a higher quality of life. Social well-being. Social well-being encompasses having strong interpersonal relationships, a sense of belonging, and social support. Participation in community life, healthy family dynamics, and friendship contribute to emotional security and life satisfaction. Social isolation or lack of meaningful connection, on the other hand, can lead to loneliness, low self-esteem, and a decline too in overall well-being. Spiritual well-being. Spiritual well-being involves a sense of meaning, inner peace, and connection with the larger purpose or higher power, that from Almighty. It may include religious belief or simply a personal philosophy or value system. Spirituality provides comfort in adversity, guide ethical behavior, and enhance emotional balance. People with a strong sense of spiritual well-being often report greater life satisfaction and emotional strength. Importance of individual and societal development. At the individual level, the enhanced personal growth, emotional satisfaction, and resilience. And individual level leads to healthier lifestyle choices and increased life expectancy that influence motivation, productivity, and personal relationship. But at the societal level, promotes national well-being and stability, reduce healthcare cost, and improve workforce productivity. Helps in shaping policies around health, education, employment, and housing. Fosters social harmony, equality, and inclusive development. Quality of life in individual development. For individual, a high quality of life support self-development, autonomy, and satisfaction. It encourages healthy lifestyle, goal setting, emotional growth, and personal achievements. When individuals experience high quality of life, they are more motivated, productive, and capable of contributing positive to their families and communities. It also plays a crucial role in one's ability to cope with life's challenges and transitions. Quality of life in societal development. At the societal level, promoting quality of life leads to economic stability, social cohesion, and sustainable development. Government and organization now integrate quality of life indicator into planning and policy making. Education, healthcare, environmental protection, and social equity are central to enhancing collective well-being. When societies prioritize quality of life, they foster innovation, equality, and long-term resilience. Quality of Life Index. The Quality of Life Index is a valuable tool used to evaluate and compare the well-being of residents in various countries. This index considers multiple factors including economic conditions, health, safety, and environmental quality. According to the NUMBIO's 2025 ranking, the top 3 countries offering the highest quality of life. First is Luxembourg. Quality of Life Index is 220.1. Netherlands. Quality of Life Index is 211.3. Denmark. Quality of Life Index is 209.9. These nations excel in areas such as health care, safety, environmental quality, and overall well-being. India holds the 61st position in 2025, the Quality of Life Index with a score of 124. While this reflects progress in certain sectors, there remains room for improvement in areas like healthcare, pollution control, and infrastructure. Conclusion: understanding quality of life involves examining the holistic and dynamic interplay between physical, emotional, social, and spiritual dimensions. It reflects not only what people have, but how they feel and what they value. Enhancing quality of life is essential for both personal fulfillment and societal advancement. Thank you, sir.